Whoosh, whoosh. Oh, hi friends. I was just practicing to be a Jedi in preparation for our Star Wars weekend coming up May 19th to 21st. Did you know that you can hold an entire galaxy in the palm of your hand? Well, with a small bottle, some glitter, and a little imagination, you can fit an entire galaxy in this bottle. We'll show you what to do. Here's what you'll need. A small bottle, water, washable paint, glitter, cotton balls, glue, a thin stick or a coffee stirrer, and squeezable plastic bottles, but those are optional. Before we start, I like using these little squeeze bottles with the narrow tips to avoid a mess. I like mixing the paint in them and to water them down, and that takes care of one of the steps already. I also like doing it with the glitter because then it doesn't get glitter everywhere. If you don't have the squeeze bottles, you can use a funnel and lay down newspaper to help with the mess. Step 1, pour in your paint mixture and fill your water in your bottle about 1/3 of the way full. If you don't have the squeeze bottles, start by filling your bottle about 1/3 of the way full with water and then add your paint and shake it up to water it down. Next, you can add your glitter. If you're using just plain glitter, I would add about 1/4 of a teaspoon to maybe 1/2 teaspoon. Next, you're going to want to take your cotton ball and stretch it out so that it looks like this. You're going to want to push it down into the bottle, and that's going to be our clouds and our atmosphere. Now we're going to repeat these steps until the bottle is full. Oh, I love this color. Let's use it. Another reason why I like using the squeeze bottles is it saves so much time because then all you have to do is squeeze some paint, add your cotton, add some glitter, add some more cotton, and voila, you're done. Well, almost. Let's use some movie magic to make this go a little bit faster. Step 5, now we're going to glue the lid onto the bottle. Remember, if you're going to use hot glue or super glue, grab your adult so that they can help you. Now your galaxy is done. Isn't it cool? Hey, mine kind of look like the Northern Lights. Have you ever heard of the Northern Lights? Did you know that they're also known as Aurora Borealis? Fun fact, Aurora Borealis was named by Galileo in 1623 and means dawn of light. Well, it's too bright out to see the Northern Lights, even at night. But if you go somewhere really far away, like Maine or Iceland, you might be able to see the Northern Lights. I'm sure the people in Star Wars get to see a lot of really cool things up in space. And I hope to see you too in a galaxy a little bit closer at our Star Wars weekend, May 19th through 21st. To see you then, I hope. Bye.